Hey, g'day. This is the Sky Dancer, Sky Leader or Sky Dancer helicopter. They call it a Sky Dancer helicopter. Single blade helicopter with a balance bar, and it's a rather large helicopter. As you can see, it's quite big. It's got a very large length. It's about half a metre in length, and it's single blade, and it's got one motor, a balance bar, and it's got radio control, and it's very agile. It has a light on the front so you can see which way it's going. You can actually point it towards you, and if you know where it's coming front and back, you turn it around, you can actually see the bright light shining in your face, so you know that it's actually heading towards you. And we're going to do a test flight on this one tomorrow. So yeah, this will be another test we're going to do. We're going to have the Proto X and also this one here, which is a single blade, 7.4 volt. I've got an extra battery underneath, I've got a battery inside, which is a 1300 milliamp, and I've also got an 850 milliamp battery strapped underneath it in parallel with the internal battery. So in actual fact, we have above above a 2000 milliamp capacity with the battery, which gives you, instead of 15 minutes flying time, you get about 20 minutes or 25 minutes flying time with the larger battery. So this will be a test tomorrow as well. We'll be flying this to test this to make sure this is flying okay. But yeah, it's a very nice helicopter, and of course it has a very nice control. It has a very nice control unit. Very nice control unit. It's 4-channel, fast, slow. You can have high speed, low speed. So that's a really... Alright, that's it for now. We'll catch you later. Yeah, that's the Sky Dancer, guys. You can see it. Starting to catch that bread. There you go, that'll be enough. Okay guys, now we're going to play with the big copter now. I'm going to play with the big copter. See if she's going to behave herself today. But she will. She goes. And she's... So it's the Sky Dancer. You know, the sun doesn't help. That's the Sky Dancer, guys. It's a Sky Dancer. And she's a nice copter, that one. It flies very well. She's a very smooth copter, this one. She's smooth, very smooth, and she sounds like a real helicopter, you know. She's got that buzz to it. There you go, guys, that's the Sky Dancer. It's called Sky Leader or Sky Dancer. And it's whoa. Take your head off, mate. Take your head off this thing. When I say take your head off, it'll give you a nasty bite. It'll hit you in the bloody head. Here the servo's working. The servo's working overtime. Yeah. Servo's working overtime on it. There you go, guys. That's the Sky Leader. We'll go for a landing, eh? There you go, we've landed. We have landed. Now we'll take off again. Take off again. We'll bring it back here and we'll land it again. There you go, she's landing again. Landed again. Off again she goes. She's very, very controllable, this. It's very controllable, very, very nice. Okay, well, we'll bring her in We'll bring her in for a landing now. Okay, we brought her in for a landing now, and she's there you go. She's she's a good little cop to that. There you go, the Sky Dancer, guys. The Sky Dancer. All right, that's it for that lot.